अजमेर आस्था और शौर्य की धरती है। यहां तीर्थ भी है और क्रांति वीरों के पद चिन्ह भी है। अभी कल ही मैं इजराइल की यात्रा को पूरा करके भारत लौटा हूं। राजस्थान के सपूत मेजर दलपत सिंह के शौर्य को इजराइल के लोग आज भी गौरव से याद करते हैं। मुझे भी इजराइल की संसद में मेजर दलपत सिंह जी के शौर्य को नमन करने का सौभाग्य मिला। राजस्थान के वीर बांकुरों की इजराइल के हाइफा शहर को आजाद कराने में जो भूमिका थी, मुझे उसका गौरव गान करने का अवसर मिला है।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi returned from Israel with a message of pride and valor. During his visit to the Knesset, Modi paid homage to India's heroes, highlighting the bravery of soldiers from Rajasthan who fought in the Battle of Haifa in 1918. Modi's tribute highlighted the historic courage of the Indian Lancers of Jodhpur and Mysore, who fought Ottoman forces during World War I. On September 23, 1918, these soldiers charged fortified Ottoman positions at Haifa, armed only with swords and lances, securing a decisive victory. During Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to Israel, Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu praised the bravery of the Indian Lancers.
When we were still under Ottoman occupation, those who helped us liberate this country, British Army, in which there were Jewish fighters, including Jabotinsky, with the 1st Jewish Battalion, but also brave Iranian soldiers and commanders who fought like lions in the battle against Haifa. For the liberation of Haifa, the forces were pushed back, and who stormed forward, gave their lives. Indian commanders, we never forget that too. They gave their lives for us.
While Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu praised these soldiers during Modi's visit, some reactions in Turkey sparked controversy. The controversy in Turkey is rooted in historical sensitivities. The Indian soldiers, praised by Netanyahu, had defeated Ottoman forces during World War I, a chapter of history that remains delicate for many in Turkey. For some, portraying these troops as liberators is perceived as a challenge to the Ottoman legacy and national pride. The timing of Netanyahu's remarks also drew attention, coming as Israel and India deepen strategic ties. Ankara views this growing cooperation cautiously, especially given President Recep Tayyip Erdogan's regional ambitions and Turkey's close relationship with Pakistan. But for Modi, the focus was clear: celebrating India's legacy of valor and honoring heroes whose bravery is remembered internationally. Modi's message also underlines India's historical contributions on the global stage. By connecting past heroism to present diplomacy, he showcased how India's valor is recognized worldwide, reinforcing national pride while strengthening ties with Israel. The Prime Minister's visit and tribute demonstrate that century-old heroism continues to inspire India's present, reminding the world of the bravery of Indian soldiers and the legacy of Rajasthan's heroes.